Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 1st, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we got the month of June off in good fashion. Had a good day. We had those positions from yesterday that totaled about $7,000 in open trade equity on the close yesterday, and by the time we close those out today, we closed out with just shy of $9,000. So it's real nice to see that open trade equity expand a little when we get out. So that was real good. We had some frustrations. I'm going to show you some of those frustrations in a minute, but still, we did real well with that. We got into 13 new positions today, and 9 were positive, 4 were negative. It's a real good ratio, but somehow nothing really took hold. So we got a lot of little positives in that portfolio we're carrying, and we ended up with negative $96 on those 13 positions. I'm not really too worried. You can see what happened. The Dow had a great run today, made 126 points, and ended up closing right on its high here. And by the way, I did call the Dow up for today. Based on this price action, I will call the Dow up again for tomorrow. It's really wants to scream here, and I think I'm just going to sit back and let it do it. And if it does move strongly again topside tomorrow, that probably will help us with these 13 positions. We could end up making quite a bit of money on that. Who knows? Anyway, like I say, we made $9,000, only 3 positions. Most of that was in Degas. We also had a great one in TXMD, Therapeutics MD, and I will show you that here. We bought this yesterday, second or third hour. It did close favorably, and then it pops up just a little here, and we get out with $3,000 positive. But here's our frustration. Look at this thing. It probably, if we stayed in, it would have added about $3,000 to that position, and it ended up closing right on its high. I'm surprised that we didn't get re-entered into this thing. I really wouldn't have wanted to be re-entered in it, but anyway, this is what happened. We took $3,000 out of it. We won't complain about that. Here's the other frustrating one. This was the stock that made all our money for us. 2 days ago, we bought Degas on this huge, this is inverse natural gas, of course. We had this huge gap, and we bought it, pretty much stayed flat. But then yesterday it gapped up really hard, and that forced us and made us stay in another day. And we got out this morning just a little bit higher than where it closed. But that thing, we took out $6.3 thousand out of that. $6,300. So that was definitely a great trade. But look what happens after that. This thing gets another burst, and we get re-entered. Well, okay. Maybe Degas is really, really powerful. And it looked that way. It got up here and it held pretty well. Well, we're pretty profitable. And then toward the end, it sells off pretty bad here. And we're ended up, we got about negative about $1,000 there in open trade. Well, that's not too bad, but you know, the way these stocks can cycle, I'm not sure if the Gaza's got another big up day coming. And there's a lot of space here, folks. A lot of open space here. And I didn't like that close. And we're long, but we'll just hope that goes well tomorrow. Just have to wait to see. Anyway, that's the way it went on this Thursday. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.